Replacing the windows in your home is a significant investment, but for Scottsdale homeowners, the benefits often outweigh the costs. With year-round sunshine and desert heat, the right windows can enhance energy efficiency, curb appeal, and comfort. The good news is that affordable window replacement options are available that cater to various budgets and needs. Here's a guide to help Scottsdale homeowners find cost-effective solutions without sacrificing quality. Why consider window replacement? Scottsdale's climate presents unique challenges for homeowners. High temperatures during the summer months can lead to skyrocketing energy bills if your windows are outdated or inefficient. Modern windows offer improved insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Additionally, new windows can increase the value of your home, improve security, and reduce outside noise, a valuable feature in bustling neighborhoods. Affordable window materials. When planning a window replacement project, selecting the right material is key to balancing affordability and durability. Here are some budget-friendly options. 1. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is one of the most popular and affordable materials for window frames. It is durable, low maintenance, and resistant to Scottsdale's harsh UV rays. Vinyl windows come in various styles and colors, making them a versatile choice for homeowners. 2. Aluminum windows. Aluminum windows are lightweight, cost-effective, and ideal for contemporary designs. They are particularly suited to Scottsdale's dry climate since they resist corrosion. While aluminum windows offer excellent durability, they can conduct heat, so look for models with thermal breaks to improve energy efficiency. 3. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are slightly more expensive than vinyl and aluminum but offer superior energy efficiency and durability. They can withstand extreme temperatures without warping or cracking, making them a smart long-term investment. Energy-efficient glass option. Choosing energy-efficient glass is crucial for Scottsdale homeowners. Here are some options to consider. Low-E glass. Low emissivity, low-E coatings reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double or triple pane glass. These windows feature multiple layers of glass with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, sandwiched in between. They offer excellent insulation and soundproofing. Tinted glass. Tinted windows reduce glare and block UV rays, protecting your interior furnishings from fading while enhancing energy efficiency. Budget-friendly installation tips. Window replacement costs can vary widely depending on the size, style, and number of windows. However, there are ways to keep expenses manageable. 1. Replace in phases. If replacing all your windows at once isn't feasible, consider tackling the project in phases. Start with the windows in the most used or energy-intensive areas of your home. 2. Choose standard sizes. Custom-sized windows are typically more expensive than standard sizes. Opting for standard sizes can help lower costs without compromising quality. 3. Work with local contractors. hiring local contractors familiar with Scottsdale's climate can save you money and ensure a proper installation. Local professionals often have access to deals and are experienced in selecting windows that perform well in the desert heat. 4. Look for promotions and rebates. Many manufacturers and contractors offer seasonal promotions, discounts, or rebates on energy-efficient windows. Check for programs from utility companies, as they sometimes provide incentives for upgrading to energy-saving options. Financing and assistance options. For Scottsdale homeowners on a tight budget, there are several financing options to make window replacement more affordable. Manufacturer financing plans. Many window manufacturers offer payment plans with low or no interest rates. Home equity loans. Using your home's equity can provide a low-interest option for funding window replacements. Government programs. Look for state or federal programs that offer financial assistance for energy-efficient home upgrades, such as the Energy Star Rebate Program. Conclusion. An affordable window replacement is possible for Scottsdale homeowners who plan carefully and explore all available options. By selecting cost-effective materials, prioritizing energy-efficient glass, and working with reputable local contractors, you can improve your home's comfort and curb appeal without breaking the bank. Whether you're upgrading for energy savings, aesthetics, or resale value, the right windows are a wise investment for your Scottsdale home.